Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power isn't the problem. Charge both the earbuds and iPhone. Once done, enable Bluetooth from Control Center or Settings so the phone can discover devices. Position the headphones or open the AirPods case within about 1 meter of the iPhone. Proximity speeds discovery and avoids interference. If you use Lightning wired headphones, plug them in now and skip Bluetooth steps. Otherwise, keep the case open and watch the iPhone screen for the pairing animation to appear. When the iPhone shows the pairing card, tap Connect and follow any prompts. Some models require you to press the setup button on the case or tap a confirmation. You do this because the iPhone needs the final authorization to exchange Bluetooth keys and sync with iCloud for other devices. Make sure to check the audio route in Control Center by tapping the AirPlay icon so output is set to your headphones. If asked, accept any permission requests for contacts or microphone use so features work correctly. After connecting, test audio by playing music and making a short call to confirm the mic. Adjust settings like automatic ear detection or microphone behavior in settings right arrow Bluetooth for the device to match your preference. If the headphones fail to pair, hold the case button or the inline remote for about 10 seconds to reset, then retry pairing. This clears stale pairings and forces a fresh handshake. If issues persist, toggle iPhone Bluetooth off and on, or reboot the phone to remove transient Bluetooth stack errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.